Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. Today we're going to be talking about macros. And we're going to talk about recording a quick macro that allows you to repeat something a bunch of times and then you can reuse it later. So the use case I'm going to be outlining today is, let's just say the company that you're at, every table that you have in Excel needs to be a consistent header formatting. So the first row has to have the same kind of style. So what we're going to do is just record a quick macro and then we're going to save it. And then future workbooks, you can actually just, instead of having to click through each time, you're going to be able to just hit a button and it's going to do it for you. So with that, I have a very quick sample data set here. It's a very simple made up data set of animal, weight, and age as my headers. And let's just say we're going to go ahead and start recording our macro. So down here, we are going to click this little button to get a macro going. It's going to make a pop-up. We're just going to name it something that makes sense. So let's just name it format header. And so now that we click that button, everything that we're doing is being recorded in a step. So let's say, every time you need to have your background, be that color, you need your font to be white, your font needs to be bold, and then maybe, every cell needs to be a certain width here. So with that, let's just say this is exactly how you need everything to look every time. What we're going to do is just hit this stop button, and that's going to stop recording every step that we have. And then now I have another data set here that is the exact same. And so what I can do is now I can just highlight my header row. I can go to view, I can go to macros, I can go to view macros. And then as soon as I hit run on this, what's going to happen is it's going to run through that code and do that same exact thing. And what's happening in the background is if you hit view macro and then you select edit instead of run, what it did is it basically ran through all of the steps that we did before, and you can see exactly what it's doing here. So this can be modified. You can become more advanced and be able to tell that and write that out yourself. But this is a way that you can just work on Excel on the front end and then repeat the process. We're going to have some more advanced macro lessons coming up, but if there's any other questions that you guys have or any other videos that you want me to dive into, feel free to post that in the comments.